Today, we will listen to a short English composition called
My Classroom. My classroom is bright, organized, and full of activity every day. It belongs to a public school in Romania, where students from different backgrounds learn together. For us, the classroom is the place where we spend most of our school time. The classroom is rectangular, with several rows of desks placed one behind the other. Each desk is shared by 2 students. In front of the room, there is a large teacher's desk and a blackboard or whiteboard where the teacher writes the lesson. Sometimes, we also have a projector for presentations. The walls are decorated with maps, educational posters, and students' projects. At the back of the classroom, there are cabinets where we keep teaching materials and books. Near the windows, there are flower pots that make the room feel more welcoming. During lessons, we listen carefully, take notes, and answer questions. Some subjects are more challenging than others, but our teachers encourage us to participate and express our opinions. The classroom can be quiet during tests, but it becomes lively during group activities. In winter, the classroom is warm, and in spring, we sometimes open the windows to let in fresh air. The classroom feels familiar and comfortable. I truly appreciate my classroom because it is the place where I learn new things every day and prepare for the future. In my opinion, what makes a classroom special is not how it looks, but the people who learn and grow inside it.